guys, you caught me in the middle of stripping the second PlayStation down. I thought I was just going to have a look in this and see if there was anything obvious wrong with it, because it looked like it was a lot better, the case was a lot better, and I'm looking at this and my first clue was it's the actual shield behind it. It looks so rusted. Actually, the first clue was these screws, look. They're a bit, see the corrosion, or a couple of them got, look, I don't know if it's mould. I don't know. So I'm currently stripping this one down. This is definitely different. I might, I'll just put the first PlayStation back together, and it's a lot different. I mean, we've got the heat turn out at the front, to me, at least now. Maybe, why is there a gap there with that? The heat, this has been left. I don't think this is in a very good state at all. Let's get rid of this. There were 4 screws on this. One was there, one was there. Yeah, you left me. And there's only 3 screws on this. That was a bit different to... Yeah, things are definitely different laid out wise. There's the 4th screw. The 4th one was about here. And that's where the cable went from there to here. Okay. I like things that are different. I don't like things that are difficult. Oh. See rust on this. Why is the whole thing coming up in one go? There we go. Look at that. Apart from the surface rust, there's a copper plate. Wow. This is very different. Very, very different. And the other one had the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, usually marked in with an arrow. It's coming straight out, this. It doesn't want to wait for me. But another one, the cobweb. This time, no friendly dead spider in here. I mean, these are not, when I've got these are all here, put in a box and lidded. When I got these a couple of months ago, the weather wasn't very good, but they've all been left in good condition. Burning there. See, that goes on there, and something's burning there. So there's a burn mark on here, and it's burning, this chip's burning, so it's overheating itself. Or is it? It's definitely burnt there. It's definitely burnt here. Different to the other one, actually. Yeah, that chip's really on heat, isn't it? They don't really think of heat sinks on this, I don't think. The shield is soldered in place. Find another cobweb. It off. I was hoping this would be in better condition, But I think it's a heck of a lot worse. Reset button. Oh, not reset button. Door close button. I don't think this is worth the parts or worth the effort. But it did seem to work better than the other one, so how can that be? Okay. Not took the power supply off the other one. There's two out here. That. And out there. Wow, what is that there? Why is that scratched in the middle? Why did that fall off? I mean, I'd never expect anything like this to be perfectly clean. Got the right. I wish I could read these properly, you know. Honestly. Stop flickering, you crazy thing. According to this, MIT, that's obviously German. 1, 2, 3, or 6 sections, is it? No, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th month it was made. So that is August 2097. 2097. Twonk. But yeah, it still works. It's just it's not very good. But yeah, okay. The laser module looks a lot different because it is older model. So yeah, just need a bit of a good service, I think. And let's see what we can do with them. I think the other one internally and with the mod chip already installed on it is a lot better to start with. So that will be, I think, my choice. I might swap the case round. Try and make one good out and two not too good. But that's for another day. Anyway, quick one now. I'll just put it back together. Thanks for watching. Please comment below. Like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.